Hello and welcome. December 24th holds its own importance in the history of Bharat and the world because many significant events occurred on this day which were permanently recorded in the pages of history. So, let's explore the history of December 24. On this day in 1968, humans entered the moon's orbit for the first time through NASA's Apollo 8 mission. This was the first manned mission to reach the moon's orbit. NASA started its Apollo 8 mission on December 21, 1968, which was completed on December 27, 1968. Members of the Apollo 8 mission also took pictures of the moon and the Earth, out of which the picture named Earthrise became quite famous worldwide. Astronaut William Anders clicked this photo, considered one of the most spectacular photographs of Earth ever taken. On this day in the year 1999, terrorists hijacked Bhartiya Airlines flight IC-814. At that time, this plane was going from Tribhuvan International Airport in Kathmandu to New Delhi. At the time of hijacking, there were 176 passengers and a total of 15 crew members on board. The terrorists first took the plane to Pakistan and finally landed it at Kandahar Airport. Afterward, in exchange for its citizens, the Bhartiya government had to release Maulana Masood Azhar, Ahmad Zargar and Sheikh Ahmad Omar Saeed, who were imprisoned in Bhartiya jails. On this day in the year 2002, Delhi Metro was inaugurated. The then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee flagged it off. The first train of Delhi Metro ran on the 8.4-kilometer long Shahadra Tees Hazari corridor. At that time, Delhi Metro started its journey from 6 stations. Afterward, on November 11, 2006, the operation of the metro train started between the last corridor of the first phase, Barakhamba to Indraprasth. Today, the total operational network of Delhi Metro is about 375 kilometers, including 271 stations in many corridors. On this day in 2005, the separatist organization Khalistan Zindabad Force was included in the list of terrorist organizations by the European Union. Subsequently, Khalistan Zindabad Force's assets were frozen in 25 EU member states. Khalistan Zindabad Force is also banned in Bharat. Ranjit Singh Neeta, a resident of Jammu and Kashmir, is the head of this organization. On this day in the year 2040, it was announced that former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya would be awarded the Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian award. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was among those politicians who made important contributions to the development of the country. He laid the foundation of good governance with his strong will to serve the nation. Pokhran nuclear test and his speech in Hindi given at the United Nations are still recorded in golden letters in the pages of history. At the same time, Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya, besides being a freedom fighter, was one of the founders of Banaras Hindu University. On this day in the year 1930, Hindi literature Usha Priyamvada was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Usha Priyamvada is considered the main writer of the Nai Kahani movement. She was one of the famous women storytellers of the Nai Kahani movement era, alongside Manu Bhandari and Krishna Sopti. Most of Usha Priyamvada's writings are related to urban middle-class life. Especially in middle-class families, she mastered the art of presenting the tension and conflict in relationships in a very sensitive manner. On this day in the year 1524, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama died in Kochi, Kerala. Vasco da Gama reached the coast of Calicut in Kerala, Bharat, on May 20, 1498. He was the first person to come here by sea. His objective was to trade spices in Bharat. Vasco da Gama came to Bharat a total of 3 times, with the journey of 1524 being his last journey. Vasco da Gama died of malaria in Kochi. National Consumer Day is being celebrated in the country today. This day is celebrated on December 24 because on this day in the year 1986, the Consumer Protection Act was enacted by the Parliament.